Thank you for joining us today. I want to talk about KFG's patient financing program. Now, this is designed for practices specializing in regenerative, wellness, PRP, stem cell treatments, pain, and chiro. We are KFG. What are our strengths? Our strengths are designing and tailoring the best set of financing options for your practice. We have 10 years market experience. That helps us in understanding how to beat the big bank programs. We're also going to show you how to satisfy a much broader credit spectrum. This will in turn increase revenue, having more patients approved. How do we do this? Through a diversified set of options. Higher funding percentages and eliminate the high percentage charges today. Why KFG? We're simple, flexible, and affordable. This is the right loan. When a patient is making a financing decision for treatment, they really don't need another credit card or revolving credit. Patients are better served by a closed-end, fixed-rate installment loan with no prepayment penalty, but most importantly, no default APR or escalation in rate back to the purchase date. Fast and easy loan processing. Credit decisions are instant, and loan documents can be executed and accepted right in your practice. Fast funding times. Your practice can be funded electronically within 24 hours from the time that we receive the accepted online loan documents. Let's go over some loan details. Our loan amounts are from $1,000 to $15,000 with terms up to 36 months at a fixed rate of 14.99% for the patient. There are same as cash options available up to 12 months. So let's recap. Better approval rates, attractive APR for patients, flexible loan amounts, easy application process, higher funding to your practice, same as cash options available, instant online approvals and acceptance while in your practice. Pricing. It's important to note what that funding percentage is to your practice. On a standard 36-month term loan, the funding percentage is 94% as opposed to 90% by our competitors. 12 months same as cash is 88%. The challenge credit will fund you as much as 85% for those with credit challenges as low as 575 FICO score. For those that even have a low 500s FICO score down to 525, you'll still receive 70% of the funding up front. I want to thank you again for taking the time. We are Koala Financial Group. Please click on the free analysis to the right of this preview screen, answer a few simple questions, and schedule an appointment today. And thanks again.